Baby.
Yeah.
Bees.
I'm remembering all that,
Bees to
though.
bees.
No, I'm doing something new. Like, first,
What can y'all do
Listen.
with it?
Yo, I can sense a lot of fraud and I know that it's near. But every time I try to expose it, it disappears. Lots of lies blinding my eyes. How do I make it clear? If only I can pack my things and get away from here. Lots of decisions making got me contemplating on whether I feel like going or whether I feel like staying in. Cause if I leave, I get to breathe, I'll be relieved. But if I were to just stay, I'ma need a lot of praying. Most of these dudes show you love like they're really brothers when you ain't got no pot to piss in. Now you on top, spreading love to only all the loyal others. Fake niggas be like, yo, B's bitchin'. Yeah, it took all of me just to get to the place that I'm in. Why would a man take a loss for his false friends? Y'all cross the boundaries, now you're bound to get tossed in. And now I'm just waiting for the frosting. Yeah, I'm never gonna stop. Yeah, I'm going in. Yeah, I'm at CJ crib, bitch. Bring a friend. There's a couple of niggas over here trying to get it in. Lean, goose, niggas trying to get bent. Yeah, we be leaving like Steven. Nigga just died. Oh shit, well let me grieve, man. Let me chill. Fall back for a minute. Run for president. Fuck that, the Senate. Yeah, I'll be on top of everything. While your girl under my office sucking that ding-a-ling.
Ding-a-ling.
No, we don't play, nigga. AKs at the head and we spray, nigga.
Nigga.
007 type mission. Matter of fact, you talking crazy, pulling out the smithing. Unload the clipping in your fucking body. You be dead. Peace, nigga. Nobody care about where you at. Cause you in the graveyard, laying in the box, in the trap. Sitting in the graveyard shit. 6 feet under, little ass bitch. Fuck boy, fuck ass nigga. Yeah, I carry shotguns bigger than your bigger than your little sister. And she throwing all of my dick, I'm about to get with her. Fuck you, fuck your mom, fuck your whole fam. Motherfucker, fuck your pop, pops and grand, man. I don't care about shit, man. I'm my own man. Like Kanye said, I'm on my own man.
I don't fuck with you niggas.
What the fuck is that? Arrow going down. Fuck that. Back up on my shit. Let me open my eyes. Cause I'm so fucking high in the sky. I'm out of it. So fucking gone. So fucking gone. They like, Bees, you fucking drawn. Where the fuck you going? I'm going out of space. Never will again. You gonna see my fucking face. Never will be replaced. Can't be out of space. But I'm real gone in the galaxy. Nigga, real shit, nigga. I'm just tripping. But you never catch me motherfucking slipping. I'm more on top of everything. Going to the cops, I never sing. Still eating chicken wings. Big nigga. Swole, still fat. But your girl on the low, she really like that. When I hit that, she like the way my tummy flap. She like to get under my belly flap. Don't matter. Still on my dick. Tell her all the time. She be like, okay, CJ, you a dime. He toss her a brick. He throw her some rhymes. Then she like, okay, get the panties wet. Then he pass her the B's. He hit it next. I'm like, yo, D. Yeah. Pussy was jumping. Oh, yeah. Had her at the Lex party. You know what I mean? We just trying to fuck shorty.
Oh, horny.
Took her to the laundry room. And you did. I was on the boom. I was on the dumb shit because I was taking pictures. Had her on can with my dick about to lick it.
Just fuck it.